Well, we'll continue to play out those reactions from across political parties during the course of this rolling coverage on Arvind Kejriwal. But that's the shot that we're talking about at the moment. Arvind Kejriwal, you can see him sitting on the passenger seat. After about 49 days, nearly 50 days in Tihar jail, he's now, well, walked out of Tihar jail. And this is the situation on the ground. You can take a look at the Karyakartas, the party workers, the Aam Aadmi Party. Joining me here in the studio is my colleague and political editor, Brijesh. Brijesh, this is exactly what we were talking about.
Well,
the party workers, how they are going to be re-energized. I mean, we're not even talking about the India Alliance at the moment. Look at what it's done to the Aam Aadmi Party. 7 seats, 4 that the Aam Aadmi Party is contesting in Delhi. All up for grabs still.
I think this, as we have been discussing this before, that the release of Arvind Kejriwal, the interim release, but release of Arvind Kejriwal from Tihar jail is going to galvanize the cadre. I think most of these cadres have assembled themselves, parked themselves before the Delhi Chief Minister residence, where Arvind Kejriwal has reached and is about to enter his home. We were initially given to believe that he might, like Sanjay Singh, come out of Tihar jail and put up a brave, a big spectacle of how they are challenging the Bharatiya Janata Party. But with Arvind Kejriwal, it was a different case. He has come to his house. But I think from tomorrow onwards, you can see that the entire campaigning of Aam Aadmi Party is going to be will shift to the 4th gear because Arvind Kejriwal will want to exploit the sentiment that is on the ground. The Aam Aadmi Party has been carrying a campaign of vote ke badle jail, jail ke badle vote, and that is people say is pretty popular on the ground. They have already released a video saying that bande mein hai dam, saying that Kejriwal didn't bend before the Modi government, and this is the reason why he is being punished. I think given the kind of politics which Arvind Kejriwal practices, the guerrilla warfare kind of politics which he practices, I think the message has already gone down to the voters and supporters that this is where it is not, but this is like his release, interim release, is also a sign of the fact that he was incarcerated without any kind of evidence, and this release is a big victory statement for Aam Aadmi Party.
How many minutes are we talking about here? Barely about let's say 15 to 20 odd minutes since he left Tihar jail, probably reached this particular spot, and the police is already, it seems like there's a lack of deployment of the police over there. The OB vans and all the media vans that you can see have already been left far behind, and the slogans Tanashahi Murdabad, I mean, that is what has filled up the air at the moment.
Well, I mean, it's very difficult for police, irrespective of the amount of police you deploy on the ground, when you are faced with this kind of crowd, extremely energetic, and all these, media personnel.
There you go, there you have it, Arvind Kejriwal from the sunroof of his vehicle.
It is kind of, what Sanjay Singh did when he was outside the Tihar jail.
The flags are wearing high, all Aam Aadmi Party flags as well. Hello. Catch a glimpse of the Delhi Chief Minister from the plethora of cameras that are now surrounding his particular car. I mean, amidst these flags, there you have it. There you see the Delhi Chief Minister right in the center.
सबसे पहले मैं हनुमान जी के चरणों में वंदना करना चाहता हूं। हनुमान जी के आशीर्वाद से आज मैं आप सब लोगों के बीच में हूं। मैं सब लोगों का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूं। सबको मिलके देश को तानाशाही से बचाना है। मैं तन मन धन से लड़ रहा हूँ, संघर्ष कर रहा हूँ तानाशाही के खिलाफ, लेकिन 140 करोड़ लोगों को तानाशाही से लड़ना पड़ेगा। आज आपके बीच में आगे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। कल सवेरे 11 बजे कनॉट प्लेस हनुमान मंदिर में मिलेंगे। हनुमान मंदिर के हनुमान जी के आशीर्वाद लेने जाएंगे, हनुमान जी के दर्शन करने जाएंगे। और कल 1 बजे पार्टी ऑफिस में प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस होगी। कल 11 बजे कनॉट प्लेस हनुमान मंदिर में सब लोग आना, ज्यादा से ज्यादा हनुमान जी के दर्शन करेंगे। और 1 बजे पार्टी ऑफिस में प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस होगी। आप सब लोगों का तहे दिल से बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
That was the Delhi Chief Minister, his first speech after walking out of Tihar jail from atop his own vehicle, starting with the slogans of Inqilab Zindabad, has already given the schedule for tomorrow now, Brijesh, that 1 p.m. there's going to be a press conference at the at the party office. But before that, 11 a.m., I want all of Delhi to come to the Hanuman temple. He's an ardent a Hanuman devotee, a Hanuman worshipper himself. Sunita Kejriwal was very quick to take to social media, paying her obeisance to Lord Hanuman on the social media, saying it has happened because of Lord Hanuman. And now, I mean, the political campaign, I was saying 15 minutes and this is the situation, and 20th minute, the first campaign speech has also been delivered.